Today I'm going to be showing you the bending with the plastic bending tools, the line set bending. So that way you don't have to be worried about it. You can just buy the tool kit. It's a bunch of little plastic inserts, and that's the least expensive way to bend pipe. Okay, you can have the more expensive stainless steel inserts. They do have stainless steel for the outside, the external ones, but for those ones you have to. They are inexpensive too. But because you have to take out their flares. For that to work, you need to be able to take your flare off and be able to push those on the pipe wherever you want them to be. So not as cool, except at the very end, where if you might be cutting off your flare anywhere close to the ODU. Anyway, we'll get to that if we can. But today we're going to be looking at the plastic inserts. What you want to do is make sure you're in far enough for your bend. So clean it off, put it in enough to go to your bend. You don't want to go much more than your bend. There's no reason to have it more than your bend, but just want to go at least to your bend. Okay. Okay, once you know you're in there far enough, you don't have to worry about it. It can't kink. I'll get out with these things in it, okay? I'll try to show you this, but put your hand behind it anyway, because you don't want it to be smashed against there, unless that's what you're trying to accomplish, if you, for some reason, needed it. But anyway, I don't, so. So you can see it's a perfect bend, and there's no kink at all, and you don't have to worry about it when you got these tools. I'll show you the next bend down here. So you want to lay down your measuring tape right where you want your bend. You pre-measured, and you'll take your pipe. It's already, and again you just roll it out. This is the way you roll it out, like that. So you just roll it out to where you want. And I want my nice sharp bend at 65 inches. Okay, so you put your hand right there about where you want it, and just bring it right in. And because I have the inserts in there, I don't have to worry about it being kinky. Okay, so it's a pretty sharp bend, and it's not going to be a kink at all. So that's about where I want it, right there. And from here, that's where I know I want that right there. I don't know exactly what's going to happen out here, but I know for sure it goes, excuse me, I should have measured the other one. But anyway, that's how you roll it out. As you can see me do it here now. Just roll it out, and then it stays straight. Okay? And it'll look just like that. Perfect. So I'll do the same thing to the 1/4 inch one, and we'll go set them. Same thing applies. Put your end right there at the tape measure where you want it, and start rolling it out. And everything will stay nice and straight as long as you do it this way. And when you get right to where you want it, straight from there. Perfect. Okay, you just stick them in a little bit past where you want them to be, where you want the bend to be. And again, it don't matter how tight you make the bends, because with these tools inside them, they don't kink. Okay, so I just want to show you this. I'll do the bottom one first. So I want to have it to look pretty nice. I'm going to be reflaring it, so I come up and across here. Okay, looks perfect. And this one here, same thing. As long as you got these benders in, you can keep manipulating it till you exactly what you want. And when you've got what you want, then you're done. But so right now you got it set perfectly, and it's all set up exactly the way I want it. And I'll just cut them and reflare.